All right, guys, we got room 1609 in Seychelles or Seychelles room. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath. First room's all right, small with the twin. You come in here with I don't know, maybe a queen. We're up on the 16th floor, so you got a good view back inland. This room has a closet, obviously, then goes right into a bathroom. Oh, got door open, so bathroom's pretty nice. Full-size tub shower. And nice kitchen. Decent little kitchen. Appliances. They're good. Yeah. Living room, dining room. This would be the master. It has a... Yep. Bathroom, big shower, big tub. This is why you want to stay here. All right. If you're coming down to Panama City Beach, this is why you want to stay here. Check this view out. I got room 1609. Look at this. That's all our balcony right there. Looking inland. This is looking west down the beach. Let's see. Man, I'm scared of heights, so I don't know about being up here, but get a little nervous. Got 2 pools and a hot tub. Yeah, can't beat this. Spring break. It's here. It's happening. Panama City Beach. Seychelles or Seychelles. You'll see it in the notes. All right, I'll show you the view from inside the house. All right, back inside. You know, living room, dining room. Yeah, just hanging out. Check this out. Right, hey, there's one. One of my kids. Look at that, right down the beach. Wake up, get your coffee, open up the door. Nice decorated. It's a nice house, nice little place. So check it out. Give these guys a like. But yeah, Gulf America right there.